Hello, welcome to Momentor's brand new English course. I'm AZ, and I'm super excited to bring you the Blender Styleframe course, thanks to the invitation from Momentor. As more and more projects need different tools to work together, Blender has become a key software for many designers to speed up their workflow, especially in stylized art. I've been a Cinema 4D user myself, but to really expand my creative expression, I spent years teaching myself Blender. And now, for the very first time, I'm launching the Blender Styleframe course, with every step fully recorded, from modeling to final animation. This course is best suited for those who already have some basic Blender or Cinema 4D experience. Since the Blender Styleframe course is fully documented, it's very in-depth and the workflow can be long, so please make sure it suits your learning style. The course includes 5 main chapters and all the project files at different stages to help you learn easily. From realistic rendering to stylized character design, I'll guide you step by step through the core skills of the Blender Styleframe course. Chapter 1. Realistic Scene Rendering. We'll learn how to use Blender to build high-quality realistic environments, simulating real-world lighting, textures, and atmosphere. Bonus case study. We'll break down how to build a realistic night street using photo projection techniques, perfect for creating cinematic, believable scenes quickly. Chapter 2. Fantasy Forest. Here's where stylized art begins. Using the Eevee renderer, you'll create a magical forest scene with rich atmosphere. We'll use simple sculpting and material work to get that 2D illustration look, and end with a short animation. Bonus practice. You'll get an extra moss cliff exercise to deepen your understanding of stylized workflows. Chapter 3. Stylized Character. The Shrine Maiden time. To make a full stylized character, we'll go from modeling to animation, creating a charming cartoon-style shrine maiden. You'll learn how to sculpt, rig, and build stylized materials. Eevee will help us achieve fast and beautiful rendering results. Bonus case study. We'll use colors and lighting to create a cute, animated illustration of your character. Chapter 4. Stone Monuments. Let's explore building hand-painted environments. We'll focus on using custom textures and lighting to create 3D scenes that look like storybook illustrations. You'll learn hand-painted UV techniques and stylized composition skills. Bonus case study. We'll take it further, with stylized buildings and natural elements, to create a cozy, magical countryside scene. Chapter 5. Sci-fi Style. This chapter dives into stylized sci-fi. We'll design a high-speed spacecraft racing through the stars toward a distant planet. Bonus case study. We'll design a sci-fi building set in extreme weather, like storms and alien environments. For more details, visit momentor.net. I'll see you in class.